this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Cephable voice controls, dictation, and shortcuts, as well as maybe things like quick action buttons and all the other inputs within Cephable to make reviewing, editing, commenting on, and managing spreadsheets even easier. In this case, I'm doing everything in Microsoft Excel, but Cephable also has support for other types of sheet-based applications as well, like Google Sheets, for example. So out of the box, Cephable comes with pre-built controls for these types of applications. For example, I'm using the pure out-of-the-box, no customization controls, and you can see that Cephable comes with hundreds, if not thousands, of different features that I can use with a voice command out of the box. But of course, especially in an application like Excel, if you're creating different macros and shortcuts for yourself, you can insert those into the Cephable application and put them behind a quick action button or voice control as well. But in this demo, I'm just going to show you how I use some of the out-of-the-box stuff. Now, I have my voice controls running, as you can see over here on the right, although they're currently paused, and I can also pop open my quick action buttons to see any of my shortcuts that I might use more often. Some of the things that I use most often within spreadsheets, especially with voice, is quickly commenting and adding notes to cells, as well as just general selection and management, because I tend to have a hard time remembering all the many keyboard shortcuts and ways to do that too. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize this, and we're going to jump into this inventory sample spreadsheet, and I'll show you how quickly you can go ahead and edit things, delete things, make changes, and then also mix that in with the rest of your workflow, like adding comments and notes as well. Start listening. Select this row, delete. Note. Type, I'm not sure this is the right quantity. Comment. Type, we should double check this value. Now I'm going to jump over to this forecast one, in which case I need to adjust my quantities to reorder. So I'm going to go ahead and just clear this out. Select this column. Delete. I can also use other common shortcuts. For example, I'm going to add a new column here to the right manually, or maybe I should do it from here to the left manually. And I'll go ahead and add this as something like an adjusted date. Type reorder date. Current date. Copy, column, paste. And just like that, I was able to mix and match my different voice commands with shortcuts, typing things in, notes, selections, and so much more. So if you're used to using things like the keyboard for tons of different shortcuts across your spreadsheets, you can get even faster with voice. Or if you have a hard time remembering all the gazillions of different shortcuts that are out there, you can actually just tell Cephable the types of actions to use instead, and it comes out of the box with these hundreds of different uses across all sorts of different apps, including things like Excel and Google Sheets. So enjoy your spreadsheets. Hopefully they can be a little bit easier to use and a little bit more fun to use too.